Now, I want you to understand, now we have it set to 500 clicks, and I want you to understand this. You have to really understand this. This doesn't mean that you're going to get anybody on your email list. This doesn't mean that you're going to get, you're going to make any money. All this means is that you're going to get 500 clicks, okay? 500 clicks. They're going to send enough traffic to where you're going to at least get a bare minimum of 500 clicks. All right, so if you understand that, you'll do well in this business. The only way that you can increase the odds of you getting an email or you getting the sales, you have to have a great landing page. And of course, you want to have a good follow-up email sequence to convert those people that do join your email list into an actual customer. Yeah, by the way, if you want to get a little bit more advanced, you don't have to just put your link inside the bar. You can switch this to add text, and you can drop your own email of what you want them to email from word for word and add your own links in there yourself, and they would copy that and send it to the email list as well. Now, this is what I would do if I was just starting out or I was thinking about doing this. I would do it that way and be a little bit more strategic and go into it with an understanding that, hey, it's a risky business, but it is a way for me to build my email list a little bit faster. Maybe I get a few quick sales along the way from this. Also, people use it to test out new products, see how well it converts by buying solo ads. You want to go into it with the mindset of, if you're actually going to do this, with a long-term strategy, and don't go into it thinking, yo, I'm going to make a lot of money in a short amount of time. It's highly unlikely. And that's just me just being transparent and real and honest with you.